Good morning, students. Today we will do the Lifelines of National Economy, Lesson 7, page 84-85. Our first topic is there. Write short note on Indian Railways. 3 marks question, 1 into 3, you have to write 3 points. First point, railways are the principal mode of transportation of freight and passengers. Freight means goods and passengers means the railway passengers, people. Number B, railways make it possible for people to conduct multifarious activities like business tour, business trip, sightseeing trip, Palace on Wheels, pilgrimage trip, Baba Dham Express, Ajmer Sharif Express, along with the transportation of goods and long distance over long distances. Number C, railways in India bind the economic life of the country as well as accelerate the development of industries and agriculture. It is promoting, accelerating means it is promoting agriculture and industry, and it is binding the people, like people all over the country, they go for Kumbh Mela in Allahabad. So that is the binding of culture all over the country. Question 2. When and where was the first train steamed off? Started off means steamed off. Because it was started with steam engine only, that's why it's saying steamed off. It was 16th April 1853 from Mumbai to Thane, that is 34-kilometer distance. Thane is now a district in Maharashtra. Question 3. The distribution pattern of the railways, railway network in the country has been largely influenced by physiographic, economic, and administrative factor. Explain. It is a 5 marks question. 1 into 5, 5 marks question. The northern plains with their vast level land, plain land, high population density, UP, Bihar, rich agricultural land, alluvial soil is there, 3 crops are grown in the year, provided the most favorable conditions for their growth, railways growth. Then a large number of rivers requiring construction of bridges across their wide beds posed some obstacle, like you see the connectivity between railway Patna to Hajipur was not possible since 60 years over river Ganga in Bihar, but it took a long time, long effort, long investment. Now the rail and road connectivity is there between Patna and Hajipur there. So it was very difficult due to that factor only. Large bed, huge investment, flooded rivers are there. In the hilly terrains of the peninsular region, railway tracks are laid through low hills, gaps and tunnels. Gaps and tunnels like Monkey Hill Tunnel is there in Igatpuri to Thane in west over Western Ghats. Gaps we have got the Pal Ghat area where we have got the railway junction over there between the two ghats of Western Ghats there. Then the Himalayan mountains regions are unfavorable for the construction of railway lines due to the high relief, high mountains, sparse population, and lack of economic opportunities like industries and agriculture. That's why the railway lines have been now laid due to the efforts of our Prime Minister. Otherwise, in the last 70 years, railway line was not extended in the whole state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then it was difficult to lay railway lines on the sandy plains of western Rajasthan because the track will get submerged in the sands there. Swampy lands of Gujarat, Daldal wale zameen. Forested tracts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand, because it is very difficult to lay down the tracks in the forested area of Jharkhand also, because the materials which are required for laying the tracks would not reach easily in these remote areas, forested areas. In recent times, the development of the Konkan Railway along the western coast has facilitated the movement of the passengers and goods along the western plain. Okay, the Konkan Railway starts from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it is ending up to Kerala there. All of you might have seen the region of Chennai Express, the waterfalls, Dudhsagar Falls, the initial starting scene of the movie Chennai Express. That railway line is your Konkan Railway. Then explain the various challenges, that is problems faced by the Indian Railways. Many passengers travel without tickets. Theft, this problem is extremely existing in Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, where people travel without ticket and they make fun of the people who all are buying the ticket. Theft and damaging of railway properties has not stopped yet completely. People steal the fan, bulbs, mirrors, seats of the railways, but they cannot use these bulbs and fans in their homes because in our homes we have got 220 volts AC current and railways are using 110 volt DC current. The appliances get damaged if we are directly connecting it to the AC line in our home. People stop the trains, pull the chain unnecessarily. Every person try to pull the chain near his home or near his residence, and they won't spare the fare of the auto also, local transport also. They will get down near their doorsteps by stopping the train by pulling the chain. But it is hampering the movement and operation of the railways. 13,000 goods train, 13,000 passenger trains. Every train has got the schedule and that gets affected due to the chain pulling. It further create other problems due to chain pulling. Accidents may take place. Accidents of the train, accidents of the people, passengers may take place, which the local people are not understanding. Write short note on pipelines. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map of India. Pipelines are used for transporting crude oil, petrol, diesel, crude petrol, crude diesel products, and natural gas fields to the refineries, fertilizer plants, factories, and big thermal power plants which are using this petrol, natural gas as their fuels. Solids can be also transported through a pipeline when converted into slurry. Means iron ore in the Kudremukh mines is been mixed with water and it is been supplied through pipelines to New Mangalore port in the form of slurry. And that slurry is being dried up after reaching New Mangalore. Then the solid iron ore is loaded on the ship. It is this pipeline is saving the transportation cost, wastage of iron ore has been minimized. These are the benefits of the pipeline. Question 6. What are the advantages of pipelines? The inland location of the refineries could be thought of only because of the pipelines. Example, Mathura, Baroni, they are located, these refineries are located inland. Baroni is located in Bihar, Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. Even your Haldia petrochemical refinery is located in West Bengal. They are been connected by the oil fields of Assam, Guwahati, Digboy, etc. through this pipeline only. Initial cost of laying the pipeline is high, but subsequent running costs are minimum. Means during the installation of the pipelines, it may cost in crores of rupees, but the maintenance cost is very less because you have to see it from the starting point, end point, the pressures and other things have been noted, but everyday expenditure is very less. It rules out transshipment losses. Means when you are supplying something, for instance, from one place to another place to another place through containers, big containers, oil containers. there are chances of wastage of material, but when it is been transported through pipelines, there are very least chances of wastage of material and delays. Once you release it from the starting point, it will reach to the end point by the stipulated time only. Whatever is the stipulated time, 12 hours, 6 hours from Hazira, Gujarat to Jagdishpur, it may take 24 hours, but it will reach by 24 hours only. It will not take 48 hours. Bharat Bandh is there, so gas is not reaching. This problem is not there. Okay, students, this notes you kindly do it in your classwork copy, make your copy update, and along with a map whatever is there, and some homework questions will be also given. Make your copy update for your marks. Okay, so keep everything neat and clean.